Activity among Shiba Inu whales has surged dramatically. Optimistic announcements directly from the United States government. What about Coinbase? When Coinbase intervenes, we recognize its significance. Each occurrence of this kind prompts Shiba Inu to do something extraordinary. Once again, a similar occurrence is transpiring. This is a significant advancement, warranting widespread enthusiasm. What is the rationale for this? Let us ascertain the outcome. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. It is a significant era for all those in the cryptocurrency sector at now. The current market surge indicates a potential impending bull run, with Shiba Inu participating in this momentum with prominent cryptocurrencies. Recently, the cryptocurrency market saw a substantial enhancement due to a pivotal decision made by the U.S. Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve unexpectedly reduced interest rates by 50 basis points, representing its first rate drop in 4 years. This significant move has captured the attention of investors and traders worldwide, resulting in a substantial increase in Bitcoin's value. Interest rate reductions often decrease borrowing costs and enhance liquidity within the financial system, sometimes resulting in an increase in the value of risk assets such as cryptocurrencies. The Fed's reduction in borrowing costs enhances the attractiveness of investments in assets like cryptocurrencies, which may gain from the flood of cash. The 50 basis point cut provided a substantial impetus to Bitcoin and the wider cryptocurrency market. Shiba Inu has been experiencing this surge of optimism concurrently with them. The Federal Reserve's conclusion was not consistently guaranteed. In the weeks before this decision, there was much discussion and conjecture over the magnitude of the rate reduction. At the outset, forecasting markets showed a significant preference for a 50 basis point reduction, with more than $55 million wagered on that scenario. As the decision date neared, expectations altered, and some experts began forecasting a modest reduction of 25 basis points. The Federal Reserve's decision to implement a 50 basis point reduction startled several observers and heightened market enthusiasm. Anticipation is now focused on November. Future markets anticipate a 64.4% probability that the Fed may implement a modest 25 basis point reduction at their next meeting. This expected action is seen as a continuation of the Federal Reserve's transition from the interest rate increases instituted to address inflation. As inflation seems to abate, the Federal Reserve's ongoing policy modifications are anticipated to persistently influence the markets. This transition might significantly alter the crypto market. Reduced interest rates often result in heightened investment in higher-risk assets, potentially yielding greater returns, particularly for cryptocurrencies such as Shiba Inu. Historically, cryptocurrencies have strong performance during periods of market enthusiasm and favorable mood. This is precisely what is occurring at now. Data from Into the Block indicates that substantial transactions, defined as those beyond $100,000, have increased by an astonishing 129% in the last 24 hours, totaling $33 million, equal to $2.5 trillion in Shiba Inu. This indicates that significant investors, or whales, are once again focusing on Shiba Inu, possibly seeing substantial potential in the present market conditions. This indicates that Shiba Inu may be preparing for another significant surge. When we see whales exhibiting such behavior, it often indicates they are forecasting substantial future profits. Should the market sustain its optimistic momentum and interest rates stay advantageous, Shiba Inu may have a favorable rising trend, particularly if more investors engage. However, this only represents the surface of a larger issue. Today, Coinbase entered the tumult, issuing a significant declaration. The notable cryptocurrency exchange categorized XRP and Shiba Inu as currencies, underscoring their intended use as mediums of trade. Coinbase categorizes both Shiba Inu and XRP as currencies intended to serve as money or a store of value. This is a significant advancement for Shiba Inu, since it enhances the coin's credibility as a recognized money. It is crucial to acknowledge the significant challenges Bitcoin, the foremost cryptocurrency globally, faced in attaining such reputation. For years, Bitcoin has been seen only as a speculative asset or a transient trend. Extensive time, discussion, and regulatory obstacles were required for Bitcoin to be regarded as a store of value, much less as a kind of digital currency. If Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, had significant challenges in attaining this level of esteem, one can only surmise the greater difficulties altcoins such as Shiba Inu encounter in achieving comparable reputation. It resembles a burgeoning enterprise striving to attain comparable market credibility to a behemoth such as Apple. While Apple faced skepticism in its formative years, smaller competitors must exert far more effort to overcome similar challenges. Similarly, cryptocurrencies like as Shiba Inu are ascending a significant incline. This latest acknowledgement from Coinbase indicates a potential shift in their circumstances. This recent communication from Coinbase significantly alters the landscape for Shiba Inu. Coinbase's classification of Shiba Inu as a currency enhances its credibility and legitimacy substantially. This support from a prominent exchange not only affirms Shiba Inu's potential as a currency, but also increases its attractiveness to investors and traders seeking assets with practical applications. Coinbase has a strong affiliation with Shiba Inu, having been among the first prominent exchanges to offer the cryptocurrency. This listing elevated Shiba Inu's visibility and facilitated the acquisition of a wider audience. Coinbase's formal recognition of Shiba Inu as a currency intended for monetary transactions or as a store of value is a significant advancement. This indicates that Shiba Inu is being regarded with seriousness in the cryptocurrency sphere and may possibly assume a substantial role in the future of digital money. This development is significant for Shiba Inu advocates. It resembles receiving approval after an extended delay. This new position enhances confidence and optimism among the group, instilling a sense of validation and enthusiasm for the future. This indicates that their confidence in Shiba Inu may be yielding positive results, and it elevates the coin's ability to unprecedented levels. Although today is a significant day for Shiba Inu, a broader perspective reveals a less favorable situation. Notwithstanding the early enthusiasm this year, Shiba Inu's price has shown relative stability, lacking substantial rise in recent months. This static performance has caused some investors to anticipate the next surge, while other experts express skepticism over Shiba Inu's potential for the future. Investor EOBIZ forecasts that Shiba Inu is unlikely to exceed 1/10 of a cent, even if Bitcoin attains $90,000 by 2025. OBIZ could not provide specific justifications for this perspective. Nevertheless, he did draw a comparison between Shiba Inu's prospective development and that of other tokens. He posits that while Ethereum may surpass $5,500 and emerging cryptocurrencies might see substantial appreciation, existing meme coins such as Shiba Inu may have challenges in delivering remarkable performance. In light of this environment, it is evident that Shiba Inu encounters difficulties despite the positive news today. The Coinbase acknowledgement is a significant achievement, yet it does not inherently ensure considerable price appreciation. While some experts maintain a cautious perspective, others exhibit considerable optimism over Shiba Inu's development potential. Luxide, a prominent cryptocurrency analyst, feels that Shiba Inu may reach 1/10 of a cent, driven by heightened whale activity and robust on-chain indications. Luxide observes that Shiba Inu is at a critical juncture in its long-term trajectory, with new data indicating an increase in whale participation. The transfer of over 3 trillion Shiba Inu tokens by substantial holders and the withdrawal of $4 million in Shiba Inu from exchanges underscore this increasing interest. Other experts, such as Crow from TradingView, concur with this optimistic perspective. Crow anticipates that Shiba Inu will see a breakout imminently, particularly if it surpasses a declining trend line that has impeded its rise since 2021. Crow posits that should this breakout occur, Shiba Inu may see a significant increase. Increased by as much as 7,300% from its present price, attaining a value of 1/10 of a cent. We are now experiencing a compelling circumstance. Coinbase's latest support positions Shiba Inu well for expansion. The support from this significant trade, together with heightened whale activity and favorable on-chain metrics, makes the possibility of attaining a 1/10 of a cent more plausible. Analysts such as Luxide and Crow express optimism, indicating that Shiba Inu may transcend its present trend and realize substantial gains. This is an exciting period for supporters, and the recent advancements may be crucial in achieving the 1/10 of a penny milestone. What is your perspective on that? Please share your thoughts in the comments. I would be keen to read your perspective. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.